So let's jump into it and talk about tools. Here's your range of testers, starting off with the basic outlet tester. I think this is a must-have if you're going to be doing any electrical projects around your house. You should definitely have an outlet tester. You're going to plug it into a standard duplex outlet, and it will show you the state of that outlet by a combination of lighting up these three LEDs. Two orange LEDs indicate a correctly wired powered state. If you see no LEDs, the circuit is off. It also displays various combinations of issues that will help you troubleshoot and correct any problems. Additionally, it's nice to get one with a small test button. This allows you to test your GFCI outlets in your kitchens, bathrooms, or garage. Next up on the must-have list is a non-contact voltage tester. Like the outlet tester, a non-contact voltage tester is very inexpensive. You can often get these in a combo pack with an outlet tester. No matter which brand you choose, make sure that when you turn it on, you see a green LED. This ensures that your tester has battery power. Some models without a green LED can be confusing. You might think there's no power at the wire you're testing, whether it's a light switch or outlet, but the issue might actually be dead batteries in your tester. That could lead to a dangerous situation. Also, I recommend getting a tester with a built-in light. When you're turning off circuits, you might be working in the dark, and having some light readily available can be very useful. I believe these two tools are essential if you're doing electrical work around the house. The next step up is a multimeter. Any electrician will have a multimeter and really trust this tool, especially over a non-contact voltage tester. Depending on your level of involvement, you may also want to invest in a multimeter. I think Klein Tools makes a good mid-range version. Next, you're going to need a good screwdriver. You'll do a lot of work with terminals, whether you're working on light switches or updating all the outlets in your house. Most people usually default to a Phillips head screwdriver. However, when you really torque down with a Phillips head, it's prone to slipping or camming out, which can strip the terminal. There are better options. One option is a number 1 square, or a number 1 Robertson screwdriver. It fits snugly in the terminal and gives you a really secure connection that won't jump out. You can apply more torque without stripping the screw. For a higher end option, you can use this hybrid combo bit. This one is made by Milwaukee and is called an ECX number 1. It utilizes the entire screw terminal, combining the best of both worlds. You can really tighten it down with one hand and it won't slip off the terminal. Those are your options, depending on what you're looking for. Now let's talk about wire strippers. All the wire strippers I'll show you are hybrids. They have the standard stripping features, which we'll discuss later, and wider jaws on the end. These jaws can help you pre-twist wires and give you a bit more leverage. I'd categorize them as good, better, and best. Klein Tools makes a good hybrid model that is functional and reliable. The Milwaukee wire stripper is better. It's a combo tool with larger jaws and additional features. Finally, I recently picked up a best model made by Nipex. It's another hybrid with wide jaws, additional features for stripping Romex, and a one-handed lock for the jaws. These tools are built to last a long time, offering high quality and durability. Also, if you're still using 20-year-old wire strippers, it's time to upgrade. Old strippers are often dull and can damage the wire insulation when you strip it. It's worth investing in a good pair, especially if you're doing multiple electrical projects around the house. One additional bonus tool is a quality utility knife. I like the one-handed operation of the fastback, which can hold 5 spare blades. This is especially important when you're working with Romex wiring, where you need to cut back the sheathing to expose the conductors.